The easing of tensions between the United States and Iran has sparked fresh debate over the future direction of gold prices. Traditionally considered a safe haven asset, gold often attracts investors during periods of geopolitical uncertainty. However, with both countries moving towards diplomacy, market sentiment could shift. Safe haven demand may weaken. Experts say reduced geopolitical risks generally lower the demand for safe haven assets such as gold. Improved prospects for stability in the Middle East, particularly around the Strait of Hormuz, could encourage investors to move funds into riskier assets like equities, reducing some support for bullion prices. Lower tensions may also help stabilize oil prices, easing inflation concerns that have weighed on global markets. A calmer geopolitical environment often diminishes the urgency for investors to hold gold as a barrier against uncertainty. More than just geopolitics. However, experts caution that gold prices are influenced by several factors beyond geopolitics. Interest rates, the strength of the US dollar, central bank buying, inflation expectations, and overall economic conditions continue to play a significant role in determining the possible future prices of gold. In fact, recent market movements have shown that gold does not always fall when tensions ease. On Thursday, gold prices remained same as the previous day despite news of a US-Iran interim agreement, highlighting the influence of other market factors, including Federal Reserve policy and investor positioning. While easing US-Iran tensions could reduce some of gold's safe haven appeal and create downward pressure on prices, whether gold ultimately falls will depend on a broader mix of economic and financial factors in the weeks ahead.